In this part 2, we're going to share the video of the 2 bedrooms. If you have not watched our previous video, we shared the kitchen, dining room, living room, and the balcony. Kindly go back and watch before you watch this one. This video is part of our Mombasa trip videos, and it will be either number 2 or 3. Kindly make sure you subscribe and you have your bell on so that you don't miss this series. Welcome to Just World YouTube channel, where we live, learn, adventure, and charity. We talk about finance, travel, personal development, and community service. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. We're going to start with the master bedroom. Before we get into the master bedroom, let's have a snippet of how you get to our room. From the lifts, you go straight. Our room is on first floor. It is number 121. So you'll just take some stairs over here. You'll see them. The straight path takes you to the pool. Then you go up the stairs. As we go up, please like the video, comment down below, and don't forget to share after you watch. Let's visit this apartment, that is Tamarind Village in Nyali, Mombasa. So that's a snippet of the sitting room. If you have already watched the previous video, you have seen the entire apartment, save for the bedrooms and the washrooms. And then we now head over to the bedroom. But before we go, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. We upload on a weekly basis, so once you have your bell on, you can be sure you will be notified when we upload a new video. So we are now on the corridor heading to the bedroom. When you are on the corridor, the first door on your right here is the first bedroom. Then on the left is the washroom. Then we get into the master bedroom. Immediately you get in, on your left is the bathroom. Yeah, we are going to show you how the washroom looks like. So after the washroom, first thing you'll get to the wardrobes. They are very spacious. You can stock up your clothes. They run from all the way down to up, as you can see, and they also have drawers. Then you have the safe that you can put your valuables when you're leaving the room. Of course, they have given you the guideline of how to use the safe, open door, and then of course the details of how to use it. Then you can hang your clothes there. Another drawer over there. So that is one side. Then it goes all the way up. So we didn't check the up part. Maybe it has something, but I'm hoping it's still more space. So this is the other side of the wardrobe. It still has space, plenty of space. It has somewhere you can put your shoes, where you hang, and some shelves that you can put your folded clothes. Yeah, it's really spacious, and you can really pack up clothes. But in our case, and also if this other wardrobe, you can put clothes and put that thing, it will show that you need them washed. Next, this is the dressing table. For now, it is our wardrobe. We have put our clothes there, and then there is a stool over here, which you use when you're preparing your dressing up and you're doing your makeup, and another seat. Of course, the dustbin is there, and as you can see, the dressing table is spacious. So on this side, you have the window which takes you to the balcony. Is it a window or a door? It's so big. I think it's a window cum door. Then there is the bedside lamps, of course the spacious big bed, which is very comfortable. Then the other bedside table on this other side. And yeah, so that's basically the master bedroom. Then you can see we are heading to the second bedroom. It is slightly smaller than the main bedroom. It has the stool for the dressing and the mirror is there. There are wardrobes there on one side. We didn't have to check them out because I'm assuming they're the same as the bedroom, the wardrobes in the master bedroom. Yeah, you see, they're basically the same. So then there are two beds and the bedside lamp is in the middle. I didn't want to capture the other bed. It was packed with stuff, but the two beds are the same size. Yeah, and of course on the other side is the window come door to the balcony. It will take you to the balcony. I'm sure you have watched the previous video. If you haven't, please go back and catch up on how spacious the balcony is. Yeah, and basically the view of the balcony is facing the ocean and overlooking the swimming pool. Yeah, and of course it has to have AC and fan. So the two bedrooms both have, yeah, as you can see, you see it's overlooking the pool and the ocean. Yeah, make sure you watch the other video on the balcony. We now head over to the master bathroom. So here is at the door. As you can see, the tiles are really beautiful and nicely done. You go to this side, you'll find there is a sink. There are actually two sinks and two mirrors. So two people can prepare at a time, either a couple or two friends. The sinks are made of glass. As you can see, it looks like it's really strong glass, so it's not easily breakable. Even the counter of the sink, as you can see, they're also very generous with towels. There are quite a number of towels in the bathroom, and you can see there's a bathtub over there. It's actually really clean. Yeah, and then there's the toilet. On the toilet, you can see at least they're very generous with tissue, four pieces, so you'll not have issues of requesting for additional tissue and all that. Then you have the window over there and the shower head. Then this is the roof. That's how it looks like all the way. Yeah, very beautiful. And then the lighting is amazing. So that's basically the two sinks at a go. Yeah, remember, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. So when you get to the water, there is cold and hot water in the bathroom. Then you'll find a shampoo. You have to, if you want to do your hair, you'll find shower gel for your bath. Yeah, and then you will also find a lotion. So if you have forgotten to carry any of the stuff, then you are sorted. Sometimes you find there are very funny soaps that you don't want to use. So in this case, you're sorted. Then there's a shower cap. Then we have towel talk, which says excessive detergent damage the environment. Help us reduce pollution of our waters. A towel hanged means I will use again. A towel on the floor means please replace. Thank you for contributing to saving the environment. Tamarind Village. Also, for those people who carry things away, please do not remove them when you leave. It is clearly indicated. So always follow the guidelines of the place that you will be staying. it's really important to leave something for someone else. So basically that is the bathroom. We now head over to the next washroom, into the common bathroom. There we are. So when you walk in, the first thing is there's a place they hang towels. You can hang here, and they also have additions here. As you can see, they're very generous with towels here. And then we have the sink. Really beautiful. Everything is made of glass, but it seems it's very strong glass, so it's not easily breakable. Then we have 2 glasses of water. We have some guidelines, and they have their guideline for those people who carry stuff from the hotels and apartments. The guest toiletries are provided for your convenience during your stay. Do not remove them when you leave. Then we have a soap on the soap dish. Of course, the tap, the water is plenty. Then we have a body lotion. So if you forget your lotion, you're sorted. Then you have a shampoo. If you want to wash your hair, you're sorted. The other thing which was not on the table, we had moved it, is the shower gel. Yeah, it's also the shower gel. So you're well sorted. So here is the dustbin. And then we have the toilet and the sanitary bin there. I like that they're generous with tissue, 3 pieces. 3 rolls, and the toilets are clean. Then the bathroom, is it called a bathroom or a cube? The cube, that is how the wall looks like. I love all the way down. And then on this side, all the way down. And then this is the shower curtain. So you can just close if someone needs to use the toilets. And then here is the shower. So this is shower. What I like is the amount of water that comes on. It's plenty. See, the shower head is big here. And so that's the bathroom. And the floors are clean. Yeah, here you are. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have watched our previous videos on the Mombasa series. Please note there are more videos which are coming. Keep it here for more videos. Check us out on our next one.